Oh, I had a suspicion.
Whoa, whoa, hey.
You got a bad attitude, friend.
Oh, I'm liking where this is going. What a dumbass. That guy makes it out alive, but he's gonna kill that dude that sold him the gun. Oh! God. Ah. This is why I'm glad Daredevil is on Netflix and not TV, because they could get away with doing this stuff that you wouldn't be able to get away with on TV. What is this guy doing? He's so calm. He wants to be arrested?
I want a lawyer.
What? Dude, he's following the sound of his watch. What the oh my. Like, seriously, like, his senses are just ridiculous. Like, I never read the comics and stuff, and I watched the one movie that they came out with. I kind of had an idea of who Daredevil was, but, like, I did not realize that his senses were this amazing.
Okay.
I'm assuming this guy's gonna end up finding out about Daredevil, and then he'll start writing about it in the newspaper, right?
Hi.
So casual about it.
Where the hell is she?
Uh-huh. What did she find? That's what I want to know. Oh, get him! Was that necessary? Hit him like 5 times.
Stay down.
I guess it was, because he's still going at him.
The prosecution has failed to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that my client was not acting solely in self-defense. And those, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, are the facts.
Shit, dude, he's good. Damn, dude, I like him as a lawyer. Holy crap. He is good. Is he about to get murdered or something? What's going on? Oh god, those kicks though. I love that. Yeah, I love kicks in fighting. Ooh, no.
You think I'm afraid of you?
Ooh.
Tell me.
Who does he work for? I can't. I want a name.
God.
Fisk. Wilson Fisk.
You should have just killed me.
You coward.
Oh. Again, this is why I'm so glad Daredevil is on Netflix and not on TV. Oh my god. Dude. One thing I will... It's only 3 episodes in, but one thing I feel like I'm always going to give Daredevil credit for is that it has some of the best fight choreography I've seen in a while for, like, American shows and stuff. The one thing I will say, like, in my honest opinion, the one thing that I'm still kind of, like, a little bit iffy about is kind of, like, the side story stuff. Not, like, the lawyer stuff's cool, but I mean, like, the stuff with the girl and, you know, the whole company trying to keep her quiet. Like, I know it's probably gonna lead somewhere, but like for right now, like it's not really doing much for me. Cause I mean, like honestly, like I think, like I'm not gonna include it in the reaction, obviously, but like for like half of the parts where she's doing that, I'm just looking at my phone and listening what's going on. Cause I guess it will eventually lead somewhere like more interesting, but for now, I'm just kind of But like the rest, the lawyer stuff, I actually really love, like seeing like how their minds work with that kind of stuff. And dude, like finally we got to see Kingpin, even though just for a little bit. And damn, like that guy, like I just love this. I'm so glad that they got Daredevil on Netflix so that they could give it like the grittier, bloodier feel to it that you wouldn't be able to get on TV. Like, imagine if, like, I feel like this is the one thing is like a lot of people are hating on Arrow now just because of Daredevil. I still love Arrow. I don't care what anyone says. I love Arrow. And a lot of people say like, oh well, you know, all the stuff that happens in Daredevil makes Arrow look lame. But I feel like if Arrow was strictly on Netflix, it would be the action would be more similar to this because there's a lot of stuff they can't necessarily show on TV. But I mean, even on Arrow, they show like in the last episode they're showing them like breaking someone's arm and stuff. But I don't know. I'm still liking it so far. 13 episodes in the first season, right? So I have 10 more to go.